Alright. I'll take the bait. It's finally time to get on here and talk about the chart of Surf, the MemeFi project that was launched by Crypto Paradise. And well, you know, Richard Hart likes hockey sticks and so do I. What do we see here? We see 26,274.57% gains in the matter of 2 weeks. This project launched here at 11,000 market cap, surged up to around 800,000 market cap, had a pullback to 350k market cap, and then quickly did a 10x in the past week to 10 days off of that retracement level. It's had a couple blips, you know, these early buyers letting go of their bags and being left behind in the dust, and we are looking at new all-time highs right now. Now, at some point, there might be some more volatility, some sideways consolidation, but all I know is I've been saying since day one that a sub $1 million market cap is a steal, a sub $10 million market cap is a deal, and a sub 100 million market cap is chill for Surf, because I believe the token economics, the community, and the business behind this meme token on Bulls Chain mean it is poised to be a market leader for the entirety of this bull cycle. If we look here, well, what do you know? Circulating supply continues to decrease down to 98.11 million. That means 1.89% of the total supply is already burnt. Last time I did a video, we had about 450 holders, I believe. Now it has 601. Picked up 151 holders and did a 10x in price. Liquidity pool is thick, and we do know there's also a liquidity web behind this. So it isn't just 200,000 in liquidity. It's actually 13 different pools. 200,000 with PLS, 81,000 with Pulse X, 38,000 with X, 25,000 with Teddy, 22,000 with PHEX, 22,000 with Ink, 20,000 with Hex, 15,000 with Top Hat, 11,000 with Most. We see 9,000 with UFO, 9,000 with PTGC, and 1.83k with King. And what do I see here? This is a new one. 15.66k with Wrapped Bitcoin. I do not believe this is a project pair, and I do not believe this is a DAO pair. So it looks like we got a benevolent whale on board of Surf, adding pairs to what could be a big volume generator for Surf. And we know Surf has a 5% buy tax and a 5% sell tax. So all that volume goes back into the project and back to you, the potential holder of Surf. Now, what do I want to look at here? Well, hopefully you watched my review video I posted here on May 10th. I have reposted it a couple times. If not, find it on my Twitter feed or Crypto Paradise's or the Learn Crypto YouTube. It's out there. Watch this 11-minute review video to learn everything about the Surf tokens, the current utilities, and the future utilities, and why I believe it is going to be a strong token in this ecosystem of Pulse Chain for multiple cycles. And you are still very early. At the time of this video, it was around 400,000 market cap. Could have been a clean 10x for you. Now, what's more important thing here is I don't look to eat the whole pie myself. I just want my share of the pie, and I want my community to get the rest of the pie. Because if I take my one slice of the pie, the community will keep baking me new pies that I can get a slice out of month after month, year after year, decade after decade. Everybody is winning, and that's what I like to see. Because when you guys are winning, you keep supporting me, and that means I keep winning. On May 12th, when I was heading to vacation, going to the beach, because that's what Crypto Paradise is all about, I went ahead and gave you a warning. I said, I'm on vacation this week. Take this as your warning call to accumulate. What do you think happens to Surf price when the airdrop is completed? The bot is added to the Dow Telegram to weed out cheaters. Buybacks begin and cross-promotion begins. You were warned. Take a step back and look at the market cap and think, what does a 5 million, a 10 million, a 100 million market cap mean for your positions? And I provided the contract address, and I said, don't forget to buy my other favorites, PTGC, Teddy, Top Hat, and X, while you're at it. Well, if you look at May 12th here, right? That's an interesting date. Let's go back to this chart here. Boom, May 12th, the exact low of Surf. The exact low of Surf. I told you that price was going to go up and to the right. I told you to buy a bag. Well, guess what? I'm back from vacation. Web3 natives back from vacation. Collaborations are starting to occur. LP ads are starting to occur. Buybacks and burns have been happening. And look at that beautiful chart. 26,274.57%, all in the matter of 2 weeks. How high do you think Surf goes? Do you think if you buy now, you're still early? Will you have the cojones, the coconuts, if you will, to buy any dip that you see on this chart? Because I'm telling you, the Dow has funds to buy it. The No Expectation wallet has funds to buy it. My network is still finding out about Surf. There's only so many messages in a day that I can send, and there's only so many messages in a day that they can reply to. What happens to this chart is totally different. Why? Because I have pulse chain connections. I've been preaching pulse chain, and pulse chain people are buying. But I'm getting degenerates from Ethereum, from Solana, from BSC, from Arbitrum, from Base to say, you know what? Maybe the crypto hitman has been right about pulse chain all along. Richard Hart did beat the SEC. I feel pretty comfortable getting the Surf token because Crypto Paradise launched it. Oh wow, I can go to pulsechain.com, hit the bridge button, get Ethereum directly on the pulse chain, and I can buy Surf with a couple clicks. That is what you are seeing, that is what is happening, and that's what will continue to happen with Surf. So you didn't listen to me here, you didn't listen to me here, will you listen to me here? Maybe not the best time, maybe we do get a little volatility, maybe it comes back to 3 million for you. Will you have the cojones, the coconuts, the surfing coconut meme, the mascot of Crypto Paradise, to hit the buy button, contract address ending in one bed? Because every night you go to sleep, you wake up to more green candles. I'll check it out. CryptoParadise.net for more information. Check out my review video. Check out my Twitter feed. You will find a way to learn about Surf, and I think you're going to be as bullish as me. Peace!